everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1004 of trying a new makeup product every day. I can't help but giggle when I say that number because it's just so big and ridiculous, but I still like to say it in every video. But so for today's video, I'm going to be trying out this Will Powder Blush, and this is from the brand THEBALM, and it's in the shade Worth the Wait. So this is a little sample-sized product that I got in my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. So I know that we are now into November, but I still have some products from my October Ipsy and BoxyCharm boxes and glam bags that I haven't tried out yet. So I'm going to be trying out these products before I do my full face tutorials. I like to get those done in the month that I receive the boxes, but when I receive more products than the number of days, they end up coming a little bit later. So what's really nice about this product and this packaging in particular is that it's all recyclable. It says clean beauty and green packaging. So it's really cute. And this Worth the Wait shade is like a light pink but shimmery shade. Ooh, I think this might even be more of a highlight. So I'm gonna do a swatch. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. For my fair skin tone with a cool undertone, this is a really great highlight shade because it's kind of like an icy rose shade. Oh my gosh, and it just swatched so pigmented and buttery. I'm tempted to apply this as a highlighter, but it is a blush, so I'm gonna try it out as a blush first. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy blush brush. Well, let's see how it looks on the cheeks. Oh my gosh. Look at that glow. It is so pretty and radiant. But yeah, you can see like it doesn't add much of a flush of color, but it adds so much beautiful glow and radiance to the skin. So I think that this is going to be more of a blush topper for me because I just love the look of rosy cheeks. Just kind of personal preference. I like to have some pink on my cheeks. And since this doesn't give much of that pink color, I still want to have some of that for a typical daily makeup look. But they seriously should advertise this as a highlighter because this is one of the most beautiful highlighters that I have seen on my face. It's just so radiant, and that's with a fluffy brush. Like my skin is absolutely glistening, but it has a beautiful buttery texture, which doesn't look chunky, glittery in any way. Oh my gosh, I am very blown away by this. I did not expect it to be so radiant and pigmented. Just a little bit completely transforms my face, my skin. So it's quite the difference too. It is buildable, like you can get subtle radiance or you can get full-blown glow, which I have to go after that glow. It layers up so nicely. Like, are you serious? Look at that. Wow. I just feel like my cheeks now are so glistening that I need to like add a little bit more. So I'm gonna do like a little bit the center of my face. I just feel like my full face needs to have some glow now. Do a little on the nose. Tip of my nose a little bit. But yeah, the shade doesn't really add any pink to the skin. It just adds that glow. Oh. I'm seriously wanting to apply this all over my entire face. It's just like a light dusting, which I really could do. So I'm also even gonna apply it onto the chin It just looks so good on the skin. Well, I think this is the most glowing blush that I have ever tried. I absolutely love it. I am obsessed with the glow coming off of my face right now. This is seriously one of my favorite products I have tried out from THEBALM. So if you are looking for a beautiful rosy highlighter with so much glow, I would really recommend the Will Powder Blush in the shade Worth the Wait. I don't think I'm ever gonna stop loving the glowing, radiant, highlighted look. It was only like a few years ago when this started being a makeup trend, and I can't see myself ever going back to that full matte look because this is just so pretty and it makes me so happy seeing such glow on my face. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.